Hi there. If you're a busy woman juggling work, family, and other countless responsibilities, finding time for yourself might seem like an impossible task. But today I'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to help you maintain your overall well being and your happiness by finding a balance and giving yourself the self care treatment that you deserve. So, if you want to know how, you want to learn the strategies that worked, please sit back, relax. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So let's dive into how we can make self-care a priority and live a better and a happier life. The first thing you want to do is to intentionally schedule a me time. You need to have a me time, that time where you choose for yourself. Nothing happens other than you, your existence, your happiness, your everything. Pick a time in the day. 5 minutes might seem like a small time, but it works. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you can give, but select that time of the day for yourself. Anything that's happening that day around that time that does not center around you, it's not important, except it's a matter of life and death. But you need to be intentional in scheduling a me time, and if you cannot achieve it daily, then pick a routine that works. If you can do it weekly, if you can do it bi-monthly, if you can do it monthly, whatever, just pick a time that works, but make sure you are intentional about scheduling a me time. Next thing you want to do is to set boundaries. You need to know the things you can do. Prioritize your time and your needs. Understand that you cannot be everywhere at the same time. If it's something that somebody can do for you, if it's somewhere somebody can go for you, please send somebody. But learn to say no. If you cannot commit yourself to that event, or if you cannot make that commitment, it doesn't make you a bad person. You just have to prioritize the things that matter, move on from it, and rest as much as you can. The next tip is to create a self-care ritual. This one can be anything. It can be your hobby, it can be taking a very warm bath every day, it can be reading a book, but create a ritual that you have to be intentional about every day, that you look forward to. It makes you relax. Once you look forward to it and you're able to achieve it, there's this extra satisfaction you derive from it. So while your day is getting as busy as it can get, you are looking forward to the end of the day when you get to read your favorite book or watch your favorite movie or dance your favorite song or just spend time with the person you love. But just create a self-care ritual that works for you, and you have to do it daily or at least 5 times a week. Next tip is very important, which is to delegate tasks. I talked about setting boundaries, and while you're trying to set boundaries, you have to be open to delegating tasks. You cannot do everything by yourself. You're not a robot. Whatever needs to be delegated, please feel free to delegate it to the person and trust that they can handle it with little to minimal supervision. Delegating and still being at the helm of affairs is a lot. So if you're going to delegate and you're still going to do the job by yourself and constantly watch them and micromanage them, you can as well just do it yourself. So make sure you're delegating to people that you understand and you can trust them, that they would handle the job. So delegate tasks, give it to them, let them do it. Just sit back, supervise when necessary, and take the time, the little time that you're getting from that, relax and make it your time. Self-care is very, very important. The next thing is to utilize technology. Well, I know that most of us are Africans, or a lot of us are Africans, and there's this silent beef with technology. We see people that use technology as being lazy. At a point, this washing machine that we're using today, and it's now the order of the day. Back in the days, women that use washing machine were seen as lazy. Women that used blenders were seen as lazy. In fact, they'll tell you that if you use a blender, the food will not be sweet. If you do this, something will happen, because our mothers and women of those days they derived joy or pride in a certain level of suffering, and they tried so hard to pass it down to us. Some of us took it, but you need to drop it. There is no award for suffering. My people will say, for a mega, you cannot use suffering to buga. There's nothing there. If you can afford washing machine, please buy it. Blender, food processor, any kind of dishwasher, buy it. Anything that would make your life easy, Go ahead. I saw somebody using what's this cake mixer to make eba. I said, wow, you people are taking it to another level. Some men will say if it's not pounded yam, like pounded, they cannot eat it. Uncle, please, you if you cannot eat pounded yam and you cannot eat poundo, it's pounded yam you're looking for. But yeah, you will come and pound it because I cannot come and die because I don't have the strength. So embrace technology. There are lots of blenders today that can process anything. Even to wash beans that we used to wash when you want to make akara moi moi, you wash the beans with your hands. So that now people use blender to wash beans. That was when I saw that one. I said, where was this thing when I was a teenager? When my mother was saying, you got me washing these beans. I hated it so much. I hated washing beans because I will spend so much time just to eat one akara or one moi moi that I'm not even interested in. By the time they are done making it, I'm even tired and angry. You know, but now they use blender to wash beans. I'm very happy. Embrace technology, adopt it, do anything if you can afford it. My sister, please give yourself the soft life that you deserve. Anything that technology can solve, it makes your work effective, if efficient, saves you time, gives you space. Do it. Do it, please. Do it. You are not being lazy. You are just prioritizing your health. You are not being lazy, you are prioritizing your mental health. You have other things to do. So anything that can make your job easier and faster, why not? The next tip, and this one I'm talking to myself too, is to prioritize sleep. Create a sleep schedule that works. I need to prioritize me. I'm talking to myself as I'm talking to you right now. I need to prioritize my sleep. Yes, I sleep, but I don't sleep when everybody's sleeping. I'm probably working or something, and then maybe the next morning I'm sleeping. I know I'm very active at night, and sometimes I try to compensate myself and tell myself that I still get to sleep during the day. But not a lot of people have that luxury of sleeping during the day. So if you know you cannot sleep during the day, please prioritize your sleep and sleep at night. Make sure you get your 8 hours of sleep. Try to get that 8 hours of sleep. If you need to turn off your phones, if you need to send everybody to their rooms on time, if you need to turn off the TV, do whatever it takes, but prioritize your sleep. Because even if you're even on a weight loss journey, they'll tell you sleep is very important for anything, for your health, for anything. Sleeping is very, very important. So you have to prioritize it. This brings me to the last one. This one is to always connect with your support system. I hear that it's very good to marry right. Marry a kind person, marry a supportive person. If you marry a good person, I'm not married, I'm single, so I don't know. If you marry a good person or a supportive partner, I hear your life is a lot more easier because there's somebody there to support you. Now, for people like us that are not married, we don't have partner, we have family and friends that are supportive. Lean on them. Connect with them as much as you can. Let them help you. They will support you. They will do it for you, provided you're a good person. So connect with them and be nice to them. Be good to them too. That way, everybody will find it very easy to help you. So while you're trying to prioritize your self-care and improve your overall well-being and your happiness, these strategies that I've listed now have helped me and they will help you. Don't forget, I repeat, do not forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you have additions, if you have more things to teach us, if you have more things to tell us, please leave your comments in the comment section. We will be here. I'll be reading it and I'll be here to reply. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We have come to the end of today's video. My name is Jenny UKPAI, and if you loved it, please give this video a thumbs up. Until I come your way next time. Bye.